eduze kwami uJason. But Jason namhlanje benihlangane ze 12 man group. Bekwenzala?
Ngibingelele nabalaleli emakhaya nababukeli. Namhlanje beyade sizokwenza i-induction allocate ama roles and responsibilities ku 12 man group ngoba uzokhumbula mhla ka 11 April sasokhetha ubuholi beprovince. Yilowo kade sizokwenza ke namhlanje to workshop and allocate responsibilities and nokuthi indlela yokusebenza kusuka manje sisebenza kanjani ukuya phambili ngoba nje sasokhetha ubuholi obusemathimini ahlukene ama delegates ayiphuma ko Pirate ko Sundowns ko Chiefs Durban City amaZulu na ko Golden Arrows na ku Richards Bay. So besizo allocate ama position and responsibilities nama roles as well.
Sibonile nabaxhasi kade bekho.
Ya kade bekhona abaxhasi nendaba ezintsha sinawo sign sinama agreement esisayinile namhlanje Mayanda Empire and also ucebo lethu ngoba akagcini ngokungcwaba kuphela and also namanye ama CMH nomunye Easy Equities. So sifuna indlela zokuthi ngoba abalandeli bebhola bakhokha kakhulu emabranchini, ukhokhele ema-groundini, ukutravela, amajezi yonke lonto leyo ukuthi wonke ama-branch esinobudlelwane nawo kube khona uxhaso esilibuyisela back emabranchini lawa angaphansi kwe-12 man group asebenzisana ne-12 man group. Let me say that ukuthi lawa asebenzisana ne-12 man group ngoba emabranchini kakhulu thola ukuthi kunomuntu unomasingcwabisana, umuntu masegula thola umasingcwabisana ulapsile then umuntu abese yashona bese kuhlanganiswa abalandeli branch bese behlanganisa ukuthi lo muntu angcwabeke. So manje ukuba ne partnership nocebo lethu ukuthi kube khona less imali ayikhokhayo, let's say mhlambe kuno 50 rand awukhokhayo kube ne policy ama group scheme ayizohlanganyela kube yi branch, especially noma kuthiwa bayahamba bavelelwa ingozi. Ucebo lethu is there ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abambisane nabo, akwazi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bangcwabeke ngesidima.
Yini vision 12 man group?
I vision ukuthi sibheke abantu sibuyisele abantweni. Esiktholayo ku 12 man group not ukuthi sifuna ukusupport ama branch kuphela kodwa ukuthi we look at the old age home, orphanage home, zonke ise ama rehab centers buyisele nathi emphakathini nakubalandeli laba abakhona ebholeni ngoba uyabona ukuthi abalandeli they paying the most kakhulu. Ibona abathenga ijezi, ibona abakhokhela transport, ibona abatravelayo, accommodation and everything. Uma kuthiwa kiwe eGoli i-tax iyagingqe kwenzeka umshophi lama team amakhulu azobangcwaba yini labo balandeli lapho? No ways. So ipolicy ekibe khona kuye ukuthi uma kwenzeka umshophi ngaphakathi egroundini kube khona insurance le ebakhona ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuthi bakhaveke. Yakhumbule Ellis Park kwashona abantu lawo bantu bano abangcwaba. So yeah, so no, we don't want to go there to politics. So sifuna isimo esinjenganaleso singaphinde senzeke. I-12 man group it's to look after abalandeli ama branch sebenzisana na wonke intethi ama branch abalandeli to all sport codes, not ebholeni kuphela ngoba i-12 man group ibhekelela abantu abathanda sport. So kakhulu, that's what's the most, the vision and mission is about, to look after abalandeli bebhola esikutholayo kulama partners esinawo kungapheleli kuthina ne executive council ne region ne province ukuthi ama branch uma enemicimbi sikwazi ukunikela kuona if kunomngcwabo khona 12 man group ikwazi ukuthi ilula isandla then siphinde sibhekelele emakhaya lawa antulayo siphinde siyobheka nakhona sibone ukuthi how do we give back ezikoleni. Mubheke ezikoleni zasemakhaya ingane abantu bajwayele ukunikela ngama sanitary towels kuphela. Sanitary towels kube ama uniform So i-12 man group sifuna ukuthi sinikele ngama-computer kube nezinto iy'ngane izinto kube nama-computer centers ey'koleni zasemakhaya iy'ngane zibe iqala ingane i-computer isese-primary from ku-grade 7 iqala ibe nayo i-computer sibhekelela imizi la sekunogogo khona kube khona izindlu esizakhayo kuma-rehab centers ngoba khona abafethu abashayekile iy'dakamizwa sibone ukuthi mhlambe ngama-medication izinto ey'dingakalayo nakuma-old age home siyothenga iy'ngubo siyoklina senzeni kuningi esinako emgodleni wethu esifuna ukuthi sikwenze nomphakathi wase-South Africa kodwa kube ukuthi kuhlangene abalandeli bebhola at large bama-team ahlukahlukene.
It's a broad church.
Yeah, it's a broad church.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.